is revolutionizing the industry, making it safer and more efficient. From monitoring air quality to ensuring structural integrity, AI systems are becoming indispensable. AI-powered sensors can monitor conditions underground in real time, detecting potential hazards like gas leaks or seismic activity. These sensors are highly sensitive and can pick up even the slightest changes in the environment, providing crucial data that can prevent accidents. This information allows for early warning systems, giving miners precious time to evacuate to safety. In the event of an emergency, these systems can trigger alarms and guide miners to the nearest safe exit, significantly reducing the risk of injury or loss of life. AI is also being used to develop robots that can perform dangerous tasks, such as inspecting unstable tunnels, reducing the risk to human workers. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that allow them to navigate complex underground environments, ensuring that human miners are kept out of harm's way. Section 5. Predicting the future: AI's potential in shaping mining. The future of mining is undeniably intertwined with AI. This technology is not just a tool, but a game changer that can revolutionize the entire industry. From exploration to extraction, AI is set to redefine how we approach mining. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more transformative changes in the industry. These advancements will not only enhance productivity, but also improve safety and sustainability. The integration of AI can lead to smarter decision-making processes, allowing for more precise and efficient operations. Imagine AI-powered systems that can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. These predictive maintenance systems can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies, ensuring that machinery is always in optimal condition. Or AI algorithms that can optimize mining operations in real time, responding to changing conditions and maximizing resource extraction. These algorithms can adapt to various factors such as weather, geological conditions, and market demands, making operations more flexible and responsive. The possibilities are limitless. AI has the potential to make mining safer, more efficient, and more sustainable for generations to come. By incorporating AI, the mining industry can reduce its environmental footprint, enhance worker safety, and ensure that resources are used more responsibly. The future of mining, powered by AI, promises a smarter and more sustainable approach to resource extraction.